Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to program an Audi Q5 key fob. First, let's understand your Audi key fob. It's more than just a remote. It contains two main components. One part handles the remote functions, letting you lock, unlock, and open your trunk with the press of a button. The other crucial part is an immobilizer chip, which is essential for your vehicle to actually start and run. Both components must be correctly linked to your car. For most newer Audi Q5 models, self-programming a new key fob is not possible. The manufacturer has designed these vehicles to require specialized diagnostic equipment. This equipment is typically found at an authorized Audi dealership or with a certified automotive locksmith. This professional programming ensures that the new key fob is securely synchronized with your vehicle's advanced security and immobilizer systems, preventing unauthorized access. When you're ready to program a new key fob, the first step is to gather all your existing and new key fobs. You will need to bring them all to the programming session. Next, contact an authorized Audi dealership or a certified automotive locksmith. They possess the necessary specialized tools and software to securely link your new key fob to your vehicle's computer system, typically taking less than 1 hour to complete. Here are some important tips regarding your Audi key fobs. Always ensure all your keys, both old and new, are present during any programming procedure. Otherwise, unpresented keys may become deactivated. Remember, simply replacing the battery in your existing key fob does not require any reprogramming. For the most accurate and model-specific information, always consult your Audi Q5 owner's manual, as details can vary slightly between different production years.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.